This land was made for you and me. They told Elijah McClain as he lay in the street, fear in his veins, blood on his teeth, nowhere to go but down. That's right, Elijah. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. Set in a Texas draw from a leather seat. Protesters swarming outside, their funny pink hats, bawling their eyes out, yeah. Don't worry, lady, this land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me, as a citadel, a sanctuary from all the evils of the world. And we can run it down just like that. God's hand on our back, and you tell me, baby, who this land was made for. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Caught me chillin' in the metaverse when nobody minced no words, no. We eat them whole and wash them down with something crisp and refreshing. So clean when I post my post. You like mine, but I like yours most. My heart emojis on overload. Your kissy face I already know. We did what we came to do. Make a paradise good and true. Now no man gon' say shit to me. Talking trash so we take it down. Kissing ass so we keep them round. Made an app that made us rich kid clowns. Look like rich kid clowns, so we buy that shit out. I feel like God must have wetsuit on the back of a beautiful wave. Space gray sunblock on my face. Not even Mother Nature gon' touch me. We did what we came to do. Make a paradise shiny and new, where no man gon' say shit. Not even the senators or congressmen or women or they, them, we're inclusive. 'Cause y'all are our pride and joy, our blue ribbon livestock. Gon' get our asses off the farm. Oh, baby, check it out. You're hungry, you're tired, you're sexually frustrated. You got it up for that. Come on, it's a brave new world, baby girl, in that little black box. All because we did what we came to do. Make a paradise just for you, where you don't have to take shit, but you can give so much shit. Now no one's gonna say shit to Daddy Zuck.
be cold today. I saw it on the weather report. The news just broke away. Max will be leaving for good. His words and feelings misunderstood. Perhaps I played a fool. I shall be looking for a new place to stay, apart from most of our friends, far away. Max will be going back to his bad old ways, with booze and wasting himself every day. Pictures of happy time found folded in an old leather book, packed in my suitcase. Max looking down at me, a smile at the corner of his mouth. Sorry, he seems to say, the days are shortening, little more every day. The winter of my first love starts today. Max will forget me just after a few days. I just know it, men are funny that way.